Right, this inequality. So what we're going to do is the x is stay on the left hand side. We're going to treat this like an equals to begin with. Greater than or equal to 12 is there, and we're going to move minus 3 across, and it becomes plus 3 when you move it across. Alright, so now we've got 5x is greater than or equal to 12 plus 3 is 15. Now we can divide both sides by the number in front of the x, which is 5.
And x equals to 3.
X is, no, not equals. X is greater than or equal to 3. Now the answer is drawn on, and you can show the answers on a number line. Show the answers on a number line, they're natural numbers, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and the arrow goes that way, 11. Alright, so the answers are equal to 3, dot there, and they're greater than 3. So they're the answers shown on a number line, and there's the greater than sign right there. Okay? Do you understand that?
Yeah.
So that's how you show your answers, if they ask you to draw it on a number line. They're all the natural numbers, beginning at 1 and continuing on upwards. Alright, example 2. So I have 4 minus 3x, and greater than minus 5, and x is an element of z, integers, plus and minus whole numbers. So the answers will be negative and positive. So you'll have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the arrow going that way, and then you'll have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 going that way. Alright, so first of all we leave the x on the left hand side, that's a minus 3x, looking up. And that's a greater than sign. Minus 5 is on the right. Move the 4 across, it becomes... Alright, in inequalities, looking up. This is a sign. It's a greater than sign. I want my x's to be positive. At the moment it's a negative 3x, isn't it? So I'm going to change the sign to just change the sign so it becomes a plus. I change the sign in the middle because it's a sign. Change all signs. What's minus 5 and minus 4?
9.
Minus 9. Change the sign to plus 9. Now divide. See the way all the signs changed?
Yes.
Now divide both sides by 3.
3. X equals
X less than
3.
3. Now represent that on a number line. X is an element of z. For n's and z's I draw dots. X is less than 3. There's 3.
2, 1, 0, minus 1, 2, 5.
Okay, dots. There you go. We'll do the next example. That's not too bad, is it? Right. Minus 5 is less than 1. Minus 3x. And less than or equal to 10. X an element of, so real number, so we'll be doing thick black line. Alright, so the first thing we'll do is we'll solve one equality and then we do the other one. So the first one is here. So the first equality is this bit here. Watch up, look up. The first equality is we're going to take that sign, we're going to stop here, look at that one, there. So we can do that bit first, solve that bit first. And then the second bit is this here. Alright, so I'll write down the blue bit. Minus 5 less than 1 minus 3x. And the other inequality that we can solve is over here. I stop here at this sign. See that? Did you see that? Yeah, they overlap each other a bit. Right, so we'll do the blue one. So we always want the x's to be on the left hand side. So we'll move the minus 3x. It's not an equals, but across the sign becomes a plus 3x. There's the sign. 1 is already on the right. Move the minus 5 across. Plus 5. 3x is less than 6. Divide both sides by the number in front of the x. Divide both sides by 3. 3 into 3 goes once. 3 into 6 goes twice. X less than 2. Now we'll do the right hand side one. Over here we'll just move the 1 across. Minus 3x is less than or equal to 10. Move the plus 1 across. Becomes minus 1. What's 10 minus 1? Okay, we don't want the x to be negative, so change the sign. Change the sign in the middle. Change the sign. Divide both sides by the number in front of the x. 3 divided by 3 is? Minus, no, 9 divided by 3? Okay. So over here we have, let's write x less than 2. So x is an element or. So we do the circles and the dots and the tick lines. So x is less than 2. So there's 2. And then we go this way. Tick black line. And where do we stop? X greater than or equal to minus 3. So equal to minus 3, what do I do there? Colour it in. And greater than. See that? See that? That's my answer. That's one way of doing it. We'll look at another way of doing it. With the same answer. Alright. So I'll rub out these lines here. The blue and the... And we might just leave it at that. Or yeah, we can do it like this. Okay. So there's 3 kind of lily pads, you could say. Okay, you're looking up, Aaron. There's a space here, okay? There's a sign. There's kind of another lily pad here that you can jump onto, and then there's another lily pad here that you can jump onto. Lily pad. Frogs jump onto lily pads, isn't it? Alright. If I subtract 1 from the center one, what do I have to do to the other ones?
Change it.
I have to subtract. This is a different approach, okay? Not changing. I'm going to take 1 away from this lily pad in the middle. Minus 1. So take away 1 over there and take away 1 over there. Do you see that? Yeah? Yes? This is a different approach. You can use the first approach that we just did, or you can use this one. Okay? What I want in the middle lily pad is just x. Well, we'll get there in a second. What's minus 1 minus 5?
Minus 6.
What's 10 minus 1?
Minus 9.
9. Okay. Okay, so see the minus 3 and x in the middle? I want x to be positive, so change the sign. And we're going to change the sign. And we're going to change the sign. Minus. Okay. What are the signs that they have to change? That sign? Less than, to greater than. This sign? Alright. I have a 3x, but I just want x. So I need to divide by 3. Divide by 3?
2.
Divide by 3. Okay? That's plus x in the middle. So x. So what have I got? I've got x less than 2 Okay, x less than 2. And over here I've got x greater than or equal to minus 3. Is that right? Same answer?
Right.
Slightly different way of doing it.